These are the three different shims that Seaga has developed to vend the different types of products on the market today. The two main factors to consider are going to be the height and the width of the different shims. Please note the different size variations as seen here.
Notice how the shim holds back the bottle from falling when it is selected. This is why the width of the shim is so important when vending different widths of bottle sizes in a machine. In this demonstration, we will be using a 16.9 ounce Coca-Cola bottle to demonstrate the importance of a shim in the vending machine. Please note we have used the proper shim that goes with the 16.9 ounce bottle size. Notice how the width of the shim is so important in this type of demonstration. The bottle was held by the shim so that way it did not fall. This will prevent misvending in a vending machine. In this demonstration, we will be using a 16.9 ounce bottle with an improper shim. Please note the size difference with this shim compared to the other shim that was used to vend it correctly. Notice its length and width difference is smaller than the previous shim. As you can see, the shim did not properly hold up the bottle as it was supposed to. The shim was not wide enough, and therefore the bottle fell, which would definitely cause a misvend.
One rule when installing shims into a vending machine is never use shims that are taller or longer than the product being vended. This will cause jamming and misvends in your vending machine. And remember, before introducing a new product into your machine, always do multiple vends and testing before introducing the product. This will eliminate any misvends or jamming in the future. Thank you for choosing Seaga.